First, the top news headlines. Assam limping back to normalcy, curfew relaxed for 7 hours. And 6-hour total shutdown against CAB in Naga inhabited areas concludes. A very good afternoon. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. I'm Loving with the news in details. Even as curfew in several districts of Assam continues, Guwahati, however, is limping back to normalcy as the curfew has been relaxed from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. today. Long queues outside shops were seen at several places of Guwahati, including Dispur, Uzan Bazar, Anmari, Silpukri, Anuradha, Narengi, Hatigaon, Zoo Road. Petrol pumps in Guwahati were also opened with vehicles waiting queues to refuel as per a report. Schools and offices, however, remained closed and the movement of public conveyance was minimal. Mobile internet services remained banned in most districts of the state. The Guwahati Municipality Corporation workers were also seen cleaning and sweeping streets which were left full of ashes and debris. It may be mentioned that over 1,000 persons were detained, of which 65 were arrested for the alleged movement in the violent protests. The All Assam Students Union, which is spearheading the Anti-Citizenship Amendment Act protests, on Friday called a 3-day mass satyagraha in all district headquarters of the state from December 16, whereas the Naga Students Federation (NSF) has called a 6-hour band today, starting 6 a.m. to protest against the amended Citizenship Act. The NSF statement read, "The band has been called to express the resentment of the Naga people against the passing of the contentious CAB in the parliament, much against the interests and the sentiments of the indigenous people in the northeast states." The NSF directed all its federating units and subordinate bodies in Manipur, Assam and Nagaland to take up all necessary measures to ensure that the total band is carried out successfully in their respective jurisdictions. The All Assam Students Union (ASU), which is spearheading the Anti-Citizenship Amendment Act protests, on Friday called a 3-day mass satyagraha in all district headquarters of the state from December 16, whereas the Naga Students Federation (NSF) has called a 6-hour band today, starting 6 a.m. to protest against the amended Citizenship Act. The 6-hour total shutdown imposed by Naga Students Federation in all Naga inhabited areas, which began at 6 a.m. today, ended peacefully. The strike was called to express the resentment of the Naga people against the passing of Citizenship Amendment Bill in the Parliament against the interests and sentiments of the indigenous people of northeast states, NSF said in a statement. The NSF had directed all its federating units and subordinate bodies in Manipur, Assam and Nagaland to take up all necessary measures to ensure that the total band was carried out successfully in their respective jurisdictions. We have a short commercial break now. Coming up next, illegal poppy plantation destroyed at Maharani Hilltop.
Manipuri ahanba amadi adongi khwaidagi pamjaba satellite channel Times of Manipur TOMTV Airtel DTH ki channel number 646 ta fangbiragani.
Another one government ki thaba ma soina phangba yaragani. ICS coaching center na 100% job phangnaba gidamakta guarantee pidun lagli. India ki oina sarkar ki thaba khwaidagi masing ena phangaleba ICS coaching center Imphal da sohanagan. ICS ki thoidoba officers singdi course amakhak ki preparation tobiraga tongan ba department singi haibadi banking, railway, post office, home, teaching, defense, court haibu singa sida thabak line phangalagan. ICS ki teaching method na minute mari natraga manga changraba question singbu second ahum natraga mari da solve to bangamale. Imphal da laiba ICS coaching center da boarding ki khudong chabu thamjari. For details please contact ICS coaching center Imphal Kasamthong Hodam Lairak
Khurumjari Lamjingba Finance na makal khudingmaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment sing ba loan pisari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani.
Amadi adomgi achinba thubagi damak mayamna wabiragano. Makal khudingmaki gari kaya su bandan dauzari. Christmas ki oiba khadaba offer su pisari.
Akupa marolgi damakta lengsinbirau Lamjingba Finance Nagamapa Rims Road opposite Nitainanda Temple natragana
Lamjingba Finance Uripok Hawam Diwan Lekai.
Aikoigi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro.
Mang ramda umikyo ikon goy buni
Welcome back after the break. A combined team of NAB, NCB, Imphal East Police, Sagolmang Police, assisted by residents of Kongbal Tangkul village, today destroyed illegal poppy plantation at Maharani Hilltop, about 6 kilometers from Kongbal Tangkul village. The team was led by Superintendent of Police of Narcotics Affairs and Border, W. Bashu, a report said.
किलोमीटर तरु मुक्चलग लेबा मारन चिंगोल सिकारगा हौजी हौजी अखोइगी खोंगबाल तंगकुल की खुंजा सिंगना लाखिबा मफम महारानी चिंगोल अदु यौरे मफम मसिदा पोपी हौरम बथेंगरे हौरिबा पोपी सिंग असि नापी लाखिबा सिबाई सिंगना यानथतबा अदुगा
Gari Awang Lekai Women's Development Center celebrated its 32nd Foundation Day at the Gari Awang Lekai Community Hall today. Local residents also attended the event. A combined team of Imphal East Commando and troops of 15 Assam Rifles arrested an active cadre of militant outfit MPNF from Mapau Kulen of Kangpokpi last morning. The arrested has been identified as Muinau Angam alias Baba, aged 40 years, of Mapau Kulen in Kangpokpi. During interrogation, it was learned that he joined the outfit in September 2019 through one Thomas of the same outfit. Angam also revealed that he was involved in highway extortion activities and was also in a mission to serve monetary demand letters to highway contractors and transporters. He was later handed over to Sekmai police station for further legal course of action. A combined team of Imphal West Commando and 15 Assam Rifles apprehended an active cadre of the band UNLF from Ngairangbam of Lamshang under Imphal West last evening. Reportedly, the cadre was identified as 41-year-old Konthojam Herojit, alias Maitonganba Meitei, son of late K. Nabamani Meitei of Ngairangbam Makhalekai, Imphal. During interrogation, the cadre disclosed that he joined the outfit in the year 2004 through one self-styled Lance Corporal of UNLF, Chinkainganba, and later received basic military training at Wangbren Task Force at Chandel District. He is presently working under one Kambaton, a self-styled sergeant of the outfit. He was handed over to Patsoi Police Station for further necessary legal action, according to a report. Salon Battalion of 28th Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IGAR South distributed stationery items to the students of Chana Chapang Bible School. Salon Battalion provided books, notebooks, pencil and rubber for the students. The move hopes to impart primary education in the socially backward and remote areas, Assam Rifles said. Another short commercial break now. Stay tuned for more updates.
Admission open. Admission open. Sangai Tutorial Kwakatel. Class commencing revision course 5th December 2019. Timing 3:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Foundation course 9th December 2019. Special features: mock tests, printed study material, hostel for boys and girls, van services. For more details, please contact 8787 307 245.
Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tawge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan tawge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tawagi awaba lehendaba. School du da dum changnai na coaching tohanba.
Mama paga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam ki topper su puthokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Takshila Institute, most trusted national brand with 27 centers span India. 21 plus years experience in NEET G coaching. Highly qualified IITians, NITians and doctor as permanent faculties. 25,000 plus success stories in the past 21 years. Online, offline, doubt clearing session. Study materials designed by Takshila Research and Development Cell. Smart class with centralized live classes from head office at Delhi. 24 hours Wi-Fi campus. Brought to you by Heritage Convent at Thangwaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Contact number 600-944-5522.
Young what?
Soktabadu Ludi.
Wabdo Koknaba Rebalance.
Soktabadu Koknaba Rebalance. Rebalance the Haksang Soul, Amadi electrolytes in the Awapa Mekatuna. Adongi Haksangu Takat Tik the Tambangamali. Rebalance Habadi, electrolytes Amadi Energy.
Welcome back. Tulihal Battalion of 9th Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IGAR South organized Swachhata Pakhwada at Maibam Lotpaching village. The cleanliness drive was organized under the Swachh Bharat mission by Nambol Company Operating Base COB to ensure the importance of clean and healthy environment. Likewise, Mayang Imphal COB organized an interactive lecture for the locals and students of Helakong village, followed by a cleanliness drive by the troops of the COB along with the villagers. The locals were also informed on global warming, its harmful effects, and benefits of plantation to counter it. Manipur State Legal Services Authority, in collaboration with District Legal Services Authority, Bishnupur organized a one-day training-cum-interaction program for para-legal volunteers of the Bishnupur district yesterday. At the auditorium hall of Bishnupur Court Complex, Bishnupur, the training program was participated by 51 para-legal volunteers of Bishnupur district. The para-legal volunteers were trained on various government welfare schemes of Manipur, its intended beneficiaries, benefits and entitlements, identification of vulnerable and marginalized persons for providing legal aid and assistance to them. Project manager from JCRE Skills Solutions, Siakpa Aimol, briefed on the vocational and skill development program and its benefits. The training program was a part of pilot project for effective utilization of paralegal volunteers of Manipur undertaken by Manipur State Legal Services Authority. The US, the UK, France and Israel have issued travel advisories following violent protests against the Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA) in parts of the Northeast, advising their citizens either not to travel to the region or to exercise caution, a media report said. The US, in an advisory posted on the website of its mission in New Delhi, asked American citizens in the northeastern states to exercise caution following the protests and violence in response to the CAA. The UK Foreign Office said British citizens should exercise caution if you're planning to travel in northeast India, monitor local media for the latest information, follow instructions of the local authorities, and allow more time to travel. The advisory noted that There was an indefinite curfew in Guwahati and mobile internet services had been suspended in 10 districts of Assam. The French Foreign Ministry's advisory alerted French citizens to general strikes, demonstrations and scuffles with the police in several cities of the states of Assam and Tripura. Famed New Zealand Olympic middle distance runner Peter Snell has died in Dallas at age 80. As per media reports, sports historian and friend Ron Polanski informed Snell had died at his Texas home on December 12 after years of heart problems. Snell, considered New Zealand's greatest athlete, won 3 Olympic gold medals. He took the 800 meters at the 1960 Rome Games and won both the 800 and 1,500 meters at the 1964 Tokyo Games. He is the only man since 1920 to have won both events at the same Olympics. New Zealand Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern remembered Snell as a legend. Now let's go through some of the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. CAB gets President's assent, becomes an act. Pleas filed in Supreme Court against amended Citizenship Act. Fuel shortage likely if Assam unrest continues unabated. Andhra Pradesh passes bill to award death penalty to rapists within 21 days. The People's Chronicle. Shah's Northeast visit put off. Protest told riches 4. Will set up protest ground, says Chief Minister Biren. Manpak holds candlelight vigil. AMSU appeals for sustaining Sir. Ram Madhav invites UG groups for talks. Imphal Free Press. Manpak embraces Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura with candlelight vigil. Assam Chief Minister's home district under Army flag march. Citizenship Act is fundamentally discriminatory in nature, says United Nations. Citizenship Act 2019 to face legality test in Supreme Court. Biren prays for violence hit states. Let peace prevail. Second Barak festival begins. The Morning Bell. Reception of Ram Madhav, Chief Minister Biren held for enacting ILPS. Modi government always listens to voice of Manipur. Open for talks with insurgent groups, says Ram Madhav. Ram Madhav, first man to enter into Manipur with ILP. Manipur becomes first state in Northeast to implement integrated health information platform. Assam protests. 106 passenger trains cancelled. Short terminated. Drug peddler arrested. Contraband WY tablets recovered. Chief Minister inaugurates second Barak festival at Senapati. Manipur Mail. Colorful Barak festival begins. Manipur implement health platform. Prime Minister Modi should apologize for his silence on Unnao incident, says Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary.
Before we end the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Assam limping back to normalcy, curfew relaxed for 7 hours. And 6-hour total shutdown against CAB in Naga inhabited areas ends peacefully. That's the end of the bulletin for the news today at 1 p.m. Thank you for watching.